In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and use a status column in Monday.com. To get started, open the Monday.com board where you want to track progress. This can be any board you're currently using for projects, tasks, or team workflows. Once you're inside the board, take a quick look across the top row where your existing columns are displayed. This is where you manage the structure of your board and add new ways to organize information. Next, click the plus icon beside your columns. This button lets you add a new column to the board, and it's the starting point for customizing how your tasks are tracked. When the menu opens, you'll see different column types available. In the search field, type status so you can quickly find the option you need without scrolling through the full list. When you see the status column, go ahead and add it to your board. This type of column is especially useful because it gives you a simple visual way to show where each task stands. Instead of reading through notes or updates, anyone viewing the board can understand progress at a glance. After the column has been added, you can rename it if needed. For example, you might want to call it project status, task progress, or something else that better fits the purpose of your board. Renaming the column can make your workflow clearer, especially if your team uses multiple tracking columns. The next step is to customize the status labels. This is where you define the stages your work will move through. Common examples include not started, working on it, and done. Choose labels that match the way your team actually works and keep them easy to understand so everyone uses them consistently. Clear labels help reduce confusion and make reporting much more effective. Once everything is set up, begin updating each item's status as work progresses. As tasks move forward, change the label to reflect the current stage. This keeps your board accurate and makes it easier for you and your team to monitor progress in real time. It's also a good habit to update statuses regularly so the board stays useful and up to date. That's it. By adding and using a status column in Monday.com, you create a clearer, more organized workflow that makes task tracking faster and more visual.